Hi guys, how are we doing? So let me just get right to what I'm saying for the week. So on gold, I'm looking at this demand zone for the week. We had a break of this high last week. So after it was broken, I think it's coming back for this demand zone. So I would watch out for when the market is in this zone for anything like a bullish signal, my confirmation, then I'll try and see if I can take this back up here. So make sure you get the confirmations, guys, because we have a week below that might have another block down here. Then we have another demand zone down here. So make sure you get your confirmation to take the buy. So that's what I'm looking at out for on gold. USD, I am in on the sell actually. I'm in on the sell. I got in around there, but then I think it's giving another supply zone. So I'm looking to sell EU if I get my confirmation. Same thing for AU too. But AU is not where I want it to come to. I have a supply zone above there. GU, same thing. I have a supply zone there. So that's what I have for the USD pairs. So let me see if I can give you guys something else. For the volatility pairs, I'm looking for these to come down. Volatility 75 1x. That's been diverging for a while, and I have a demand zone right here after it cleared this high. So any sign of weakness, right? If I get a break and a good supply zone, I'll take it back to this demand zone. So that's what I'm waiting for on it. Step index, I have a supply zone here that I want to take. It broke a low. So if it comes here, so I have two supply zones above though. So if it comes here and reacts, I will take it. If it comes here, I will take it. So I'm waiting for these two supply zone and step index. So I think that's pretty much everything what I have. Yeah, I think that's all I have. 75 too. I'm waiting to see if it will react to this supply zone. Then I'll take it down because it broke this low as well. So probably that's everything I have, guys. That's everything I have. Reach out to me if you need help on how to read the market, how to understand the market. I'll be more than happy to help. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to take much of your time. Thanks once again for tuning in. Thanks for sticking to the channel. I hope you are learning. I'm about to start my full sessions on binary and start recording again. A lot of messages about it. You understand? So I'll start posting some old binary sessions I've recorded that I've not posted because I have not had time to edit. I will post them first, then I'll start posting the recent ones. So guys, thanks for reaching out. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.